Hey guys, welcome back once again to today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, okay? So in today's video, we'll be doing a tutorial on this beautiful hairstyle that you are seeing now. So for us to start, we're gonna divide our hair into two parts, the back one and the front part, but the back part will be smaller than the front part. We just divide it into two halves, okay? The back one will be smaller than the front one. After that, we will now put everything into a ball, tie it together. Yeah, we just pack it together and then use our rubber band to hold it, after which we will now just braid it and also use another rubber band to hold it all together. And at the end of the day, you'll be getting two halves of hairs. So after packing the two hairs together, we'll now proceed with applying our hair gel. For me, I use vintage hair gel. I like the vintage hair gel because it's always good for my hair texture. It's not that sticky on the hair and it also moisturizes my hair. That's why I like using it. And the color also, it's a kind of black, okay? That's why I like using it on my hair. So you can use any hair gel of your choice, the one that suits your hair texture, okay? So after everything, we will now proceed to the next step. But for now, let me leave you guys to watch the video. So after applying the hair gel, I will now proceed with using my hair dryer to dry the hair. Normally, sometimes after applying the gel, I normally leave it to dry on a natural air. But today, I just decided to use my hair dryer to dry it so that I'll fasten the whole process. And for this hairstyle, I'll be using Brazilian wool to make the hairstyle. You can use hair extension if you have that one. I just use this one because this is the one that I have at hand. This is the one I have at the moment. So you can use hair extension, you can use Brazilian wool for this hairstyle depending on the one you want. So if you look at the video, you just see the way I was just rolling the hair. I want to roll it so that I can be able to fold it into the shape I want. Okay, if you don't roll it, you're not gonna get it. That's why I just roll the hair very well so that I can be able to fold it the way I want. This hairstyle is just a kind of a fold and the tucking method of hairstyle. That is just it. So after rolling it, I just use it to wrap around the first bun and then now take it down to the second half of the hair. And I now use my needle and thread to hold it together, because if I say let me just continue rolling it until I finish tucking it in, I might find it very hard to do so. So that was why I just used my needle and thread to hold it, to tack it down together so that everything will be very easy for me. So after rolling it, I now fold it to the second half and I now tuck it in between the two. Okay, just the way I'm doing in the video. So after tucking it in, I will just fold the remaining one and then fix it to the first half, the upper half, which I will now roll very well and then fold it again and tie it to the second half. I'll now tie the remaining one to the second half and then finally I'll use my needle and my thread to hold everything in place together, and that is all for the hairstyle. So let me know whether you'll be trying the hairstyle out. It's very simple to do. It's not hard at all. It's just a kind of hairstyle that you will just do in less than 30 minutes. So if you have any occasion that you want to attend, you can as well do this kind of quick and easy but beautiful hairstyle. Okay, it's just for every occasion. Just do it well and you will like it. So after everything, I now put my, you know, arrange my baby hair. I just put it the way it will be, and that is all for the hairstyle. So let me know in the comment section if you will be trying the hairstyle out. It's very beautiful. You can try it on yourself. You can do it for a friend as well as your kid. So let me know if you will be trying out the hairstyle. Okay. Thank you guys for your maximum support. Thank you for your massive love. I really appreciate. So let me leave you guys to watch the video till the end and see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.